It's a beautiful concept, and I'm happy that Abuji is doing it. And congratulations to you, Amisha. You did come up with a great thought, and I hope children get to do what they want to do and stay happy. But
I believe at the moment, let's talk about music. Music has power. Music में बहुत power है. Music can transport you anywhere you like. अगर आप म्यूज़िक को कंपेयर करें, जब आप फ्लूट सुनते हैं तो आपको माउंटेन्स याद आते हैं, संतूर सुनते हैं तो आपको रिवर्स एंड सो म्यूज़िक इज सरोज डिपिक्ट सैडनेस इन योर हार्ट, बट म्यूज़िक डज ट्रांसपोर्ट यू एंड हैज़ द पावर टू ट्रांसपोर्ट यू वेरेवर यू लाइक. और म्यूज़िक में थेरेपेटिक वैल्यूज बहुत हैं, और म्यूज़िक इज यूज्ड विद द फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट. अब जो आर्टिस्ट का नज़रिया है, उनका भी ये कहना है कि इस तरह से म्यूज़िक का इतना पावर है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का, एंड इट कैन टेक माइंड्स. जब आप इमोशनल हैं और आपको हैप्पीनेस, यू वांट टू फील एलेटेड, you have music for, you really can be elated with music.
Yeah, it's a nice experience working. I'm just looking at the children who are working very like with बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे अपने जो the main thing जो अमीशा ने नया किया है, that the music therapy, जो मतलब बच्चों के मन के अंदर जो भी विचार हैं, they just want to put on the conveys that is come through the medium of music. Because music is a thing, I suppose, जो आपकी energy release करती है, which gives you relaxation. So this is a combination of like as Amisha, she was researching on this particular music therapy come art. ये research वो पिछले 3 साल से कर रही है. This is a very nice thinking.
no, I can't even make a small little flower. I'm very bad at that. But yeah, we have some talented people here, so all the best to them.
I have always been working with art and music, so I know the dependence of these two therapies with each other. So gradually, working with children for the past 18 years, I got into a habit of continuously researching with various musics, making the children do various kind of concepts based on the musics, and that's how I started to understand the connection between the therapies.
There is a lot of therapeutic value in music. और म्यूज़िक से आदमी की हेल्थ as music as a therapy has been experimented and has been very successful. But music with art as a therapy is something that Amisha has put in front of us. And if you look at it, artist का जो version है, वो कहते हैं कि कलर, हर आदमी का एक इंडिविजुअल कलर होता है. ये उनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन के एक when you paint and when you look at various art forms that you have, जब आप कहीं कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं या उसमें एक कलर कनेक्शन है आपका. हर चीज़ में कलर कनेक्शन है, whether it is buying a shirt or a pant or a dress or a furniture or even as far as any object. But being in music, I say that music does have power, and music and art together can contribute greatly to the society for the enhancement and for the cures of major ails that the society has. Music is basically an amalgamation of so many notes. It is also shows the power properties of togetherness. Similarly, art also, when it is properly done, proper colors are mixed, you get a beautiful bouquet of colors, and that all adds to the value of.
I love the name Color Dance. Yeah, I think Amisha would be able to tell you more about the whole concept, but I would like to wish all of them our very best and go achieve what they want.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.